Good afternoon, everybody. In this video, we're going to find out the number of moles in 500 gram of sodium chloride. So we have 500 gram of sodium chloride and we need to find out what is the number of moles of 500 gram of sodium chloride. The informations given are the atomic mass of sodium, which is 23, and the atomic mass of chlorine, which is 35.5. So first thing we have to do is find out what's the molar mass of sodium chloride. So that's what I'm going to start with, finding the molar mass of sodium chloride. And what the sodium chloride is made of? It is made of 1 unit of sodium and 1 unit of chlorine. So we have to find out the molar mass of sodium and molar mass of chlorine, which is given 23, which is the atomic mass of sodium, we'll also call the molar mass of sodium, and 35.5 is the molar mass of chlorine. If you add them together, the number we'll get is 58.5 gram per mole. That's the molar mass. So what does this number mean? This number means if I have 1 mole of sodium chloride, the mass of this one would be 58.5 gram. Or in other words, 58.5 gram of sodium chloride means 1 mole of sodium chloride. So now, just by the definition, 58.5 gram of sodium chloride means 1 mole. Okay, so that means 1 mole here. And if we need to find out the 1 gram of sodium chloride means how many moles, we simply divide 1 mole by 58.5. And now if I have to find out the 500 gram of sodium chloride, we need to multiply by 500. That tells me the number 8.547 moles. So that means if I take 500 gram of sodium chloride, the number of moles I will have is this number of moles. What do I get out of this one? I have this number of moles, but what does this mean? So the number of moles, whenever you think of moles, you always think of the number of the atoms or the molecules it does have. So now if you have this many moles, and all you need to do is one math here. So multiply this number 8.547 times 6.023 times 10 to the 3. If you do the math, let me do the math quickly. 6.023 times 23 times 8.5 6.023 times 23 times 8.547. The number I got here is 3.1. Oh, I think I made one mistake. 6.023 23 times 8.547. The number I got here is 5.15 about times 10 to the 24, and that means this many molecules. So what does this mean now? Just an interpretation. If I have 500 gram of sodium chloride, the number of molecules it will have is this many molecules. Okay, so always think of the 1 mole in simple words. 1 mole of any substance, it doesn't matter, sodium chloride or even iron, hydrogen, anything. If you take 1 mole, the number of substance, or if you're just talking about the atoms, the number of atoms, or if you're talking about the molecules, the number of molecules of 1 mole will have this many substance, or this many atoms, or this many molecules, and this is called Avogadro's number. And I'll talk about the Avogadro's numbers and the moles in other videos. This one is just for you to grab the concept even better. Okay, so this is it from this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.